Excuse me, is this Maya from the CDC? Hi Maya, I'm Logan and this is my partner Joseph. We are from Campbell High School Scientific Communications.
And what we heard is that you want to get rid of our favorite chemical, sodium bicarbonate. So we plan to change your mind.
Alright, thank you. Sodium bicarbonate, or more commonly known as baking soda, is a common household necessity used in many daily tasks such as baking, cleaning, deodorizing, and can even be used as an antidote to relieve heartburn.
Discovered in 1801 by German scientist Valentin Rose, then later popularized in 1846 by Armand Hammer, baking soda was created to quicken recipes using slow yeast. However, historical evidence has shown ancient Egyptians using an early form of sodium bicarbonate called natron as a drying agent in mummification.
Baking soda is made up of two ions, a monatomic ion called sodium and a polyatomic ion called bicarbonate. The reason these two ions can just combine can be explained by Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law essentially states that the charge of a particle attracts the opposite charge of another particle. With a positive ion we call it a cation, and a negative ion we call it an anion.
Great question. Let me create you a chart so that I can explain it to you. This is a Bohr model. As you can see, it has a sodium atom with 11 electrons and 1 valence electron. But if you look at the sodium ion, we can see that we lose the valence electrons, leaving us with just 10 in total. This is due to the octet rule, which states that atoms are strongest with 8 electrons on the outer shell. To complete this rule, the sodium atom decides to remove its 1 valence electron. Since it loses electrons, it will have a positive charge and will turn into a cation because it will end up with more protons than electrons.
The same doesn't hold true for bicarbonate though, due to its polyatomic status. Bicarbonate is made up of hydrogen, carbon, and 3 oxygen. Together they have a total of 23 valence electrons. The atoms don't transfer electrons like sodium does though. Instead, they form covalent bonds, meaning they share electrons to satisfy the octet rule. One oxygen shares 2 electrons with carbon, another oxygen single bonds and attaches to hydrogen, and the last only has a single bond with carbon, which gives it 7 valence electrons. So this oxygen atom would need to gain an additional valence electron. With this additional electron, it would have a negative charge.
Exactly. Bicarbonate is held together by covalent bonds, but because the group has an overall -1 charge, it behaves like an anion and can bond ionically with sodium. I think you're mistaken. Studies like these have shown that baking soda has not harmed the environment at all, as it is biodegradable and considered safe for the environment. Furthermore, we interviewed 15 different people, and here's what they thought.
So hi, what's your guys' names?
Hazel Jimenez. Rossi. June Cho.
Do you guys know what baking soda is?
It's used in baking.
Baking soda is used in cake, like for that cake. It makes that fluffiness. But it also tastes really bitter by itself.
Well, they use it for like a lot of stuff, right? Like we use it for laundry.
Laundry?
Oh, it's like used for cleaning too, like getting stains out of clothes.
Do you guys own baking soda at your house?
Yep. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I own baking soda. Yeah. Yes, I do too. Me too.
Okay. Would you notice if the baking soda at your house disappeared?
Yeah, I would.
Yeah, it would be kind of inconvenient. Yeah, I would probably notice too.
I don't even know if you have baking soda or not right now.
So would you guys say like you use it often in your daily life?
Yeah, pretty often. Yeah.
Never.
Never. Our final question is, would you guys want baking soda banned?
No. No.
Would you want baking soda to be banned?
No. No. No.
Those are good points, but they all have simple solutions. For your first one, the danger of large amounts, people just need to use baking soda in normal recommended amounts. And that can go with the same for your stomach and medication issue. That only happens with overuse. If someone is sensitive, doctors can tell them to limit or switch to safer alternatives like potassium bicarbonate. And for your last concern, it's true, baking soda has no nutritional value, but that's not why people use it. It's used as a leavening agent in baking, and it's used to clean and deodorize. It's a tool, not a nutrient. So yes, there are risks, but they're easy to manage.